tree that's leaning against this one right here, I said, that will go in the storm. And that's the
tree?
And that's the tree.
This is a scenario residents say has been repeating itself for the past 4 years.
150-foot trees 20 feet off the road, it's going to fall across the road and then some.
These are fire-damaged trees left behind by the 2021 Caldor fire. And for people who live here, they're more than just an inconvenience.
No, you're not coming through here.
They're a growing safety concern.
We're still having a problem, and that the county of El Dorado is ignoring that there are these hazard tree issues, and someone could get killed.
Mark Elmer and David Robinson, both longtime Grizzly Flats residents, spent the morning driving around town assessing damage and clearing what they could themselves.
Who do we call when something like this happens? Typically, those of us that have been up here, I've been up here 28 years. I have a chainsaw. I cut my own firewood, and a lot of times just locals will open up the road.
And while it's been 4 years since many homes were rebuilt, residents say storms like this, bringing wind and heavy rain.
We're playing Russian roulette with every time that we drive down these roads.
Have them worried it's only a matter of time before someone gets hurt. Residents tell me that they hope county and state officials can come together and make a plan to remove the trees that were badly damaged during the 2021 Caldor fire and which continue to pose a risk to residents in this community. In Grizzly Flats, Marisela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.